Hey guys, today I'm going to teach you a tutorial that everyone wants to know because I guess everyone's addicted to 11:11. Okay, so oh my gosh, you missed 11:11 by a minute or however long, okay? 10:41 clearly. Okay, so you want to make it 11:11. Go to settings, okay? Search, put time. This is only going to work on, well actually no, it can work on Android too, you just have to find a way around it. So you want to go to 24-hour time, click set, uncheck set automatically, you want to go down here, and then go to 11, changes your time to 11, oh the time just changed, so I have to go change it back. Time, 24-hour, 11:11, okay, and I'm going to go to Snapchat, take a picture, 11:11. Shoot, actually I don't want that up because that's like weird. I make some of the greatest tutorials and you guys don't know how to do that, and you guys are always like, you put the 11:11, 12 and then draw 1 over it. No, that's last year. Okay, now you gotta go in your settings, change it to 11:11. To change it back, go to 24-hour time again, and then go set automatically, 10:43. Anyways guys, if you have any questions let me know, but that tutorial is sick, right? Hope you guys enjoy and use that trick.